Walk towards him. What are you doing, Keith? Keith, what are you doing?
Hey there.
Dang it! You knocked over my skateboard.
Oh, what happened?
Bishop's in my way with a board split.
Do something.
Oh, jam. Dude, Bishop, you need to get that.
I didn't get it, I sneezed. My head hurts.
Let me take it. Can I take it?
Yeah. Ow. Don't do all that stuff.
I always get up the pole, but I can't get it. Here we go! Chicken! Where are the flippin' chickens? Here we go! Here we go. Crazy flip. Oh, Keith, get this new trick. I just learned it today. It's called a fakie. Okay, it's called a fakie hard flip. He's got a good shot. Dude, you're like the worst cameraman
No,
ever.
do it on purpose. Go.
When someone's talking, watch them.
Go!
Land is smart side, port side. You just go. Dude, it's a nose ring.
Bishop, are you going to go?
Yes. Dude, you didn't even watch it. He's
What?
gonna turn the camera to us. Yeah, dude, you're not
What?
even getting us. Dude, let me film. You're like the suckiest cameraman ever. Dude, I start the video.
Yeah.
This video sucks.